all are doing great. Apni sob bhal ase ola. Morom pura video last tak sai dibi kona request kore ase. Apni han notun thakile channel subscribe korna, bell icon bi dabai dibi kona request kore ase. Aro apni han notun thakile amara Instagram page bi follow koribi kona request kori ase. Good morning viewers. Update to hotai dibo na para hoy jay. Apni han bi jane moi busy ase as a teacher bishi kam thake. Holi bi aji first update ke janai dibo. Nagaland update ase. Chief Minister Nefirio virtually inaugurate 51 new school infrastructure project across Nagaland. So 51 new school infrastructure project inaugurate kurina ase Nagaland de. To bishi bhala ase Nagaland la school la infrastructure khan bi tado bhalo boge na hope kore ase. Kile mane poilate Nagaland la infrastructure, school infrastructure, especially government khan la man bhal bi thaka nai. Abyan bi janina ase. तो इता तो विषय भारत का स्टेप आसे कोई ना बिन के जाने दिया से in a significant move to strengthen the education sector in Nagaland, Chief Minister Nefirio on Saturday virtually inaugurated 51 school infrastructure project funded under Samagra Shiksha. Speaking at the inauguration program held at Chief Minister Residential Complex in Kohima, Rio described the occasion as an important step in the ongoing effort to improve educational infrastructure. According to a DIPR update, the Chief Minister extended his gratitude to the Government of India for its continued support and commendment effort of the Samagra Shiksha team led by the State Mission Director L. Jamithang Lotha. तो इटू मिशन टू स्कूल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर खान इम्प्रूव करोड़ा से कोई ना आसे आरो इटोला अपडेट तो बेसी वायरल हो आसे कोई ना जिनके भी जाने दिया से फर्स्ट अपडेट तो अपन के शॉर्ट पूरा जाने दिवो अमहान लसर Nefirio, Chief Minister of Nagaland, tai condemn kori nasi to report ase. Nagaland Chief Minister Nefirio condemned detention of non-tribal women in Chhattisgarh. Chief Minister Nefirio on Saturday expressed deep concern over the detention of two Catholic